Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute bunny. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the shape of the head. At the top, let's draw 2 bumps up and over to the right side. Now from both ends, let's curve it down. And then at the ends, let's curve it up and back in. Now underneath, let's add a curve down and up. And then let's curve it back in, meeting at the center to close off the head. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's hop in and let's draw the face. Let's start with 2 large circles for the eyes. Now inside, let's add a circle on the top left. And then underneath on the right, let's draw a small heart shape. And color the rest of the eyes in black. Now on the outside, let's draw some eyelashes by curving it out and back in. And color both of these in black as well. Now let's hop up and let's draw a curve on top for the eyebrows. Next, let's hop to the center and draw the nose. We'll start with a curve across, and then a V-shaped point underneath. Now under the nose for the mouth, let's draw a small line down and curve it out and up on both sides. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop to the top and draw the ears. Let's start with a long curve up and curve it back down on the left. And now let's do the same thing on the right side. And let's add another curve up and back down in the same way inside each ear. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Underneath the body, let's draw a curve down and up on both sides. And then let's curve it down towards the center for each of the legs. Now from the bottom, let's curve it up, meeting in the center. And then let's add 2 angles on top to finish off the shape of the legs. Lastly, inside each one, let's draw 2 curves at the bottom like this. And that's it for the front legs. Now let's hop out and let's draw the back legs on the sides. Let's start with a curve down on both sides like this. Now underneath, let's draw a curve up and bring it around, forming an oval shape that's open at the bottom here. And now at the bottom, let's draw one more bump in on both sides. Now let's hop inside each of the feet and let's draw a long oval near the bottom. And then 3 circles on top. And that's it for this cute bunny. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!